Welcome to our comprehensive guide on home security alarm systems from an authorized dealer's perspective. We'll dive into top features, variety, and benefits of these trusted systems. As authorized dealers, we bring you unparalleled services and expert advice to empower you with knowledge. The task of choosing the right home security system can seem daunting, but authorized dealers ease this process, offering an array of solutions from basic alarms to advanced smart systems, compatible with your smartphone or voice assistants, protecting your home against burglaries, fires, and more. Authorized dealers don't just offer reliable systems, but also provide professional installation, maintenance, and support. Their expert technicians assess your unique needs and suggest the best security configuration. Choosing an authorized dealer means investing wisely in your safety and the security of your loved ones. Their systems are user-friendly, customizable, and allow you to monitor your home remotely. Avoid generic security solutions. Authorized dealers offer personalized services, ensuring your system meets industry standards, adhering to strict guidelines to deliver a reliable, effective security solution that suits your home. In conclusion, for the ultimate home security alarm system, an authorized dealer is your best option. Their expertise, reliable products, and exceptional customer service offer the peace of mind you deserve. Start your journey towards a safer home by contacting an authorized dealer today. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this information helpful, do subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Stay safe and secure.